Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Ujinosa, the man with the talk am as e be, say make Nigerians pray for am. He say somebody don lie for his head, say he wan blow up Oba Palace. Apostle Alfred say the only crime wey he commit for Edo State na to show the good work of the former Edo State governor Godwin Obaseki. He say since wey he take dey show Obaseki work, so many people dey hate am, dem no like am the way e dey show the good work wey the former Edo State governor Godwin Obaseki dey do for Edo State. Now, somebody don lie for him head, say he wan bomb the palace of Oba of Benin. Make I leave you, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Ujinosa.
Breaking news. Somebody just draw my attention to publication made by one culture. Say declare me wanted. Say me, I say I want come bomb palace in one of my video. My people, since one of they follow me, I don't see where I do video say I want bomb palace. How? Whatever video they say I talk, just know that these people have gone to clone my voice. All because I dey stand for good governance. I don't get issue with anybody. I only dey support and promote what is good. Promoting Edo on a positive light. Right from the one, these guys, they're not dey happy say I dey talk about Edo. They're not dey happy say I dey support the former governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki. Nigeria, please pray for me. Now, crime to support wetin dey good for Nigeria. Imagine they don't go clone my voice. Say me, say I want bomb palace. How? I be terrorist? Which hand? How? Because they don't know what they want to come talk again. Because I dey talk, because I dey defend the work with the former governor don't do. I only tell the Governor Pegolo say, no destroy what you come meet for ground. Which crime have I committed? Now this culture say declare me wanted. Say me I want bomb palace. How? From where? So tell the other pig when he call he say who the civilian. Say make Pegolo arrest me. Say me sponsor people. We go keep people for Uromi. What a shame. You mean our people can go to this length? They try to kidnap me. They try to assassinate me. They've done everything. Now they don't come up with this rubbish. Say me, one bomb palace. From where? From where? I just make I tell your word. Make I let you know. If supporting Obaseki na crime, all my video promoting Edo on a positive light, this set of persons come out, call me Ogiomba, just because I support Obaseki, just because I promote good governance. Which crime have I committed? What is my crime? The other day, they say, why Apostle? Why you they promote Oni of Ife? Why you they promote Olu of Ori? I am promoting their works. That is what I stand on. My job is to promote good governance. Promoting individual that is doing good in all their platforms. They say, oh, go after Apostle Alfred. He's talking about Oni of Ife. He's promoting your love for it. Why will I not promote people that are doing well? Why will I not promote who are doing well? Our sons and daughters, they promote their business, they promote their works. If una do well, will I not talk about what you guys are doing? What is my crime? Because I stand with Obaseki? Because I defend the work when they do? The next thing, when I tag me terrorist. Now declare me wanted. See, Apostle say one bomb palace. Now the let when I come fit go be that to go clone my voice. Now I can go clone my voice. Now I can go use AI to produce my voice to say yes, this is the evidence we're looking for. Well, if I mean well for Edo, it will be well with me. If I don't mean well for Edo, it will not be well with me. I just make a let your word know that they are after my life.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Ujinosa. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.